Using buttons in Looker Studio enhances interactivity by allowing users to navigate between pages or trigger actions. Here's how to effectively use buttons. Open Looker Studio. Login. Go to datastudio.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Create or open a report. Select an existing report or create a new one where you want to add the button. Add the button. Insert the button. In the report editor, click on Add the control from the top menu. Select button from the drop-down list and click to place it on the report canvas. Customize button. Click on the button to select it. In the Properties panel on the right, configure the button's text, style, and size as desired. Set up actions. Add actions. With the button selected, go to the Actions section in the Properties panel. Choose the action type. For page navigation, select the page you want to link to. For URL, enter the web address to which the button should link. Test and save. Preview. Click on View to test the button's functionality. Save. Click Save to keep your changes.